This is online GED teacher with a quick GED math prep video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for X, which is a typical question which you can see on the GED math test. Let's jump in. So we have this equation here, 2x minus 15 equals 45 plus 8x. And the idea here is that we're solving for x. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the terms that are like. And when I say that, what I'm saying is that 2x and 8x, they're not the same numbers, but they're like because they have a number and a letter. And then 15 and 45 are alike. They're not the same, but they're just regular numbers. So once you establish that, then the next step is to go ahead and combine them. And you combine these like terms by doing what's called the opposite. Okay, so let's just take the number first, and it really doesn't matter in which order you do this. So this is minus 15, and so we want to do the opposite of that, which is a plus 15. And if I do it to this side of the equation, I also have to do it to this side of the equation. Why? Because this is equal. So if I subtract 15 from this side and do nothing to this side, it's no longer equal. Because remember, here is our initial equation. So if I remove something from here, I also have to remove it from here. So I will also, in this case, I'm not removing, I'm adding. So if I add something here, I also have to add it here. So 15 minus 15 plus 15 is 0. That zeroes out and leaves me 2x on this side. Drop the equal sign down. And then 45 plus 15 is 60 plus 8x. Now, again, remember, I'm still combining terms that are alike, so I have two more terms that are alike that need to be combined. And again, we combine by doing the opposite. So here I have a plus 8x. So now I'm going to do a minus 8x. And again, as I said before, if I subtract 8x from this side, I also have to subtract 8x from this side. So let me do that. So of course, plus 8x and minus 8x equals 0, so that just leaves me with 60 here. And then minus 8x and 2x gives me a minus 6x. If you have questions on that concept, you can look at our lesson 1, which walks through adding and subtracting, multiplying, dividing positive and negative numbers. Now, we're here to this step of the equation where we now have minus 6x equals 60. So some of you are going to be able to look at this and already tell what the answer will be, but let's continue to work it out. So this is x multiplied by minus 6. So the opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by minus 6. And remember, whatever I do to this side of the equation, I also have to do to this side of the equation. So I'm going to divide this by minus 6. A minus divided by a minus is a positive, so that gives me a positive 1 or just 1x or just simply x. And then 60 divided by minus 6 gives me a minus 10, because remember, a positive divided by a minus gives me a negative or a minus, so or minus 10. So hope this video was helpful. Remember, if you want an online GED course that can help you achieve your goal of passing the GED test, go to onlinegedteacher.com, where we have great courses. We have courses on math. We have courses specifically on social studies. We have courses on science. We have courses on all 4 GED tests. Whatever it is that you need to prepare, you'll find it there. Thank you.